Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share about a free video editing software DaVinci Resolve developed by Blackmagic Design. Two versions of the DaVinci Resolve are there, one is free version and another is paid version. Let's talk about free version. It's absolutely free to download and use. If you are searching for a free video editing software, this is the perfect professional video editing software. You can edit up to 4K ultra resolution and there is no watermark on the footage. According to the paid version, some features are not available in the free version, but also you can make amazing video using motion graphics, color correction, visual effects, transition and more on the free version. Now take a look on how to download and install the free version. First open the link which I given in the description. It will open the download page of DaVinci Resolve. After that, click the download button. Here you can see DaVinci Resolve and DaVinci Resolve Studio. DaVinci Resolve Studio is the paid version and DaVinci Resolve is the free version. Here choose your OS, it will open up a window. Fill your details here and click the register and download button. Then the downloading will start. The file size is around 1.5 GB. After complete download, extract this file using any extracting software. After extract, open the setup file. Here select the features you want to install and click install button. In this window, click next. Then accept the terms and click next. Here change your destination folder if you want, otherwise leave it default. Then click the install button. After complete the process, click finish. Installing completed, click OK and close the window. Now DaVinci Resolve is ready for editing. I hope this video is useful for you. Like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.